Hi, I'm Dr. Annette Athey, and welcome to the Grief Storm card deck resource page. I wanted to offer just some short practical tips on how to use the Grief Storm card deck and to maximize your results, where it feels like you and your family can talk about grief, but then also have ways of how to move through the grief so it doesn't feel like you're drowning. If you haven't purchased the card deck, we have a variety of options. So there's the physical card deck that looks like playing cards that have the different types of cards and activities listed on them. Another option is if you hop over to Amazon, you can buy the DIY cutout. So they are a paper form, but you can cut them out of the book, or you can leave them in the book if this is easier to manage for your family. And I do also have a more affordable option, which is the digital download, that there is also a button below for you to purchase that. For some of you with the journaling prompt cards, you may not want to write in a notebook, but your child or yourself might want more of a tangible journal book. You can also hop over to Amazon and purchase just the journal. Again, this doesn't have the other 3 types of cards. It only has the journal prompts in it, and that link is below as well. Just a tip for using all of the videos below. They all are in bite-sized chunks for each card that might have a different type of instruction, or maybe it's a type of coping strategy that you haven't heard of. And so I tried to give a little bit of insight or guidance in how to use that particular coping tool. So I would encourage you to pause the video, listen, re-listen. They are kid appropriate, so you could listen with your child and talk about how you want to use the card. Again, personalize them and use them in the way that fits for your family. You can also notice what resonates for your family and what doesn't. Maybe you want to use, for instance, we use bubble wrap. Maybe your family uses bubble wrap different, or you have an alternative to bubble wrap. That's just one example. Come back to these videos as often as you need to. And also notice the healing that's happening in the moment. And you may need to pick up a different card to help talk about what's happening. I absolutely thank you for being here and purchasing the Grief Storm card deck in whatever version that you picked. Even if you haven't bought the card deck, these videos are still incredibly helpful. I do think for most kids to have the tangible cards in their hand is more effective, especially for our younger kiddos, age 11 and under, who are more tactile, concrete learners. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. I absolutely want to make sure that these tools are usable and understandable, so please feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here.